Hey all, it's Damira here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm showing part 2 of my little backyard cleanup. Again, it wasn't much, but you should check out part 1 first. Before we get started here, I encourage you to subscribe to the Millennial Farmhouse. I like to share cleaning videos, coffee bars, and seasonal decorating. So I decided that this year I wanted to create just a welcoming space in our backyard. So in the first video, you just saw me cleaning up my back porch a little bit so that I could add some chairs to the porch for a nice little seating area. Now I didn't decorate it or anything, but you'll see me do that in this video. Here I'm just starting with setting up a pop-up tent. So I got this from Amazon. It's a 6-sided pop-up gazebo tent. It does have the privacy walls, which are removable, and so I don't have them on here, as you can see. It's not huge, but it's just enough space inside to create a relaxing area for the summer. It was easy to set up and also to stake into the ground. And I have to say that right after I got this all set up and I got the chairs for the inside delivered, it actually stormed and that tent held strong. I did stop by Dollar General to get some things for the backyard. So they had a lot of the little solar lanterns and lights. They had some bug stopper as well as weed and grass killer. And then of course candles. Now I was looking for citronella candles, of course, but I couldn't help but to enjoy some of the other candles they had in the store. Also just wanted to get a few melamine items, so some plates and bowls and cups and a water pitcher. I was really happy to have found the indoor-outdoor mat for our porch. And of course I did pick up a few of the different solar lanterns. I thought that Dollar General was the perfect stop for setting up my backyard because I, 1, didn't want to spend too much money, and 2, I didn't want to do a lot. This backyard space came together really well. It's simple, it's not perfect, but it's a nice little retreat to enjoy during the summer. Dollar General is so cute. They had a lot of Dolly Parton items for the summer, and I just thought that that was absolutely adorable, and I'm glad they still had some. So I did do all of this at the end of June, beginning of July, but in terms of shopping and social media, that's actually kind of late, but I was glad that they still had a few things. So this is the area that I was cleaning in my first video in the part 1. It's just a really small, narrow porch area, but it's a good space to sit when the weather's nice, maybe even when it's drizzling a little, and so you don't want to leave the porch, but you might want to just step onto the back porch for a little while. We have these 2 old chairs, an old table, and so I was glad to have found the indoor-outdoor mat to put under the chairs to bring some life to that space. And then of course the candle on the table just gives it a little bit more of a decorative feel. Now in the tent, as I was setting it up, of course there were bugs coming in and out. So I did grab some of the bug stopper and everything so that I could spray the lining and the surrounding areas to that tent. And once I closed it up and I put the sides on, it really did work. So there were a lot of flies inside there. But after using the bug stopper and letting it all settle and everything, it was much better on the inside of that tent. I did also put some of those little solar lantern stakes in the front of the tent, sort of like lining towards the entrance of the tent. And then these little solar lanterns, I bought 2, so I hung 1 on the porch and then 1 from the top of the tent. And so those you do have to turn on and off, but they just provide a little bit of light and it creates a nice ambiance. It was really interesting doing all of this. Again, I had shared that this is a shared backyard and it's a very small space, but I just thought that doing this was a nice way to create a retreat for the summer. Now, my furniture hadn't arrived while I was filming all of this, but you will see then that I did get a nice little chair and table set from Amazon. It did come with the cushions, and so I'll also have that linked below. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, if you haven't checked out part 1, go watch that one and then come back and watch this one. Let me know how you think I did. I think I created a nice little space for us all to enjoy. If you've enjoyed watching my videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the Millennial Farmhouse, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.